read your word problems, you can understood. If you read your word problems, yes, once if you are able to read your word problems, you can understood where we are using. Suppose three friends started together. Their footprints was measured different centimeters, and once again, once their where each which after which length they supposed to meet. That means there are many applications, not only few. There are many. Let me give that many things where we are using that many. Children, I think you are able to see my screen. No, I did not share it. You see, children, there is an application part in your exercise, last exercise. This is completely.
Sometimes we get to know the factors also, I think.
Yes, ma. Not only that, children, day-to-day life situations in agricultural field. How we are using in agricultural field the LCM concept and the HCF concept. Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer. Fertilizer means what, Nana? Fertilizer means what? Fertilizer. Do you aware about fertilizer? The word is a science word.
Ma'am.
What is fertilizer, children?
Ma'am,
to grow plants more healthy.
farming, ma'am.
Yes. To grow more crops and to grow more energy. Where we are putting the fertilizers to the yes field so that crops so that it are giving. Yeah, more and more crops you are going to get. Yes, children, fertilizer. See, there is a student, Renu. She purchases the 2 bags of fertilizers of kg. 75 is 1 bag. Another bag was 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer in exact number of times without leaving any remainder. What is the measuring unit or measuring device so that she can exactly measure the both quantities equal number of times or without leaving any remainder. You can use that word also. Now, by looking this question, you can see there is a keyword, children. You can observe the keyword. In my question, the keyword was, what is the keyword here? The keyword was maximum. Maximum means what, children? Children, please carefully observe the things. Why I am giving this keyword here, keyword sentence, because when you are giving this type of questions, you may get confused. You need to find LCM or HCF. So here maximum, the word if you see, the maximum you need to find.
If, ma'am,
HCM.
HCF.
It is minimum, ma'am, then we should find LCM and maximum means HCF.
Not only minimum, maximum words, children, even we can see sometimes the largest tape or see in this question longest tape. Longest tape means is nothing but maximum. Yes or no? In this case also you need to find HCF. And suppose here minimum.
Minimum, ma'am. That means LCM.
LCM. See, children, these are very important, children, before going to read your question. But in some cases like this and this type of cases, we need to find only exact divisor. Divisor means factor. Yes. You need to, suppose in this case is a special case, children. I will let you know little later. Let me complete the first question, second question, and third question. By looking the keyword. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Yes, Vedanta. What is the weight of first bag, ma? Vedanta. First question. Weight of first bag. What is weight of first bag, children?
Ma'am, 75 kg.
Weight of first bag. First
75.
bag of fertilizer. You can write a complete one. Bag of fertilizer. Fertilizer means fertile. Fertile means what, children? Fertile. The word
Ma'am,
fertile.
fertilizer. Ma'am, you wrote fertilizer.
75 kgs. And second bag was
Ma'am, second bag is 69 kgs.
69 kg. This is the first two statement you're supposed to write. And the third statement here, in the question only you will get, children, the third statement. The maximum value of weight, which can measure the fertilizer exact number of times. Therefore, the maximum value of weight that can measure the fertilizer exact number of times. Or you can take the maximum value of weight. Same thing, you can write the third statement what I'm taking from here. The maximum value of weight.
75 to 69 we should do, ma'am.
Weight, which can measure the exact number of times. Weight, or else you can keyword the maximum value of weight can be measured fertilizer, or the maximum value of weight. You need to write the complete, or else meaningless, children. The maximum value of weight, which can measure the
And it is 144.
measure the
144.
weight of the fertilizer, which can measure the weight of the fertilizer. Weight of the fertilizer is equal to. So here the maximum is the keyword. What we should do, children? HCF of 75 and 69. We know very well.
Ma'am, 75 is the X.
75 and 69. If I want to find HCF means highest common factor. You can do in different methods, children. What are the factors of 75 and 69? You can write, then common factors, then highest common factor. That is one way. HCF. This is I am doing direct method, children. Since 5 and 12 and
75 factors are
three table, both will be divisible. Yes or no? Is it divisible with the 3 table? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we divide with the 3 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Riyansh, 3 how many times 75? See, children, in mind only you can do 3 ones are 3 twos are 6.
Ma'am, can I tell,
So
ma'am?
2 times.
Ma'am, it's 325, sir.
So 3 fives are, yes, 15 times. Again 3 2 times, 3 times.
Ma'am, 23.
25. Now 25 and 23 will not divisible in any common table. Why? Because 23 is a prime number. Prime number have only 1 and 23 as a factors, whereas 25 is a composite number that have multiple 1 and 5 and 25 are the factors of 25. But 23 is a prime number. So there is no common factor. Only commonly divisible number was 3.
3.
Therefore, HCF of 75 and 69 should be equal to
3.
3.
So 3 kgs is the maximum measure of the bowl, or 3 kgs is the maximum capacity of the container, so that which can measure the fertilizer exact number of times. You can write the conclusion
Out,
statement.
ma'am.
Yes, Soumya?
Yes, sir.
3 kgs is the maximum capacity of the
Fertilizer.
maximum capacity of the container, so that which container can measure the fertilizer exact number of times. If you have any doubt also, you can try it whether we are doing correct or not. Yes, ma, Soumya.
I got it, ma'am, about HCF. Can you tell about LCM, ma'am?
No need to find because our question was only finding Soumya, please. Soumya is raising hand. What's your doubt, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like 75 and 69 both have the factor, ma'am, after 1, ma'am. So we will multiply next factor, which is after 1, ma'am.
Multiples, that is multiples, Nana. Those are not factors. Soumya, don't confuse for factors and multiples, Nana. 75 factors are 1 and 75. We know 1 and 75. In between, we have 2, 3 table.
Ma'am, after 1, ma'am, we in both the tables, 3 is coming. That's why we are taking 3.
Yes. Commonly divisible number.
Okay.
Commonly divisible number of 75 and 69 is the common factor, right?
Take the least common, that, ma'am, least common factor.
No. Here we are taking HCF, highest common factor, because if there is any other common number for 25 and 23, then we can multiply these both numbers. But we have only one common factor in but there no common factor in another pair.
Ma'am, if another,
If you,
if another common factor is there for both,
suppose here if I am getting 2 as a common in both the numbers, then I should multiply these 2 as the HCF. Product of these 2 numbers. Hope you understood.
75 and 60. Yes, ma'am. I am saying that is 70.
I will let you know that part also. 1 minute, children. If you want to do in another method also, another method also, you can see 75 factors are 1, 3, and what is
5 also, ma'am. 5.
5. How many times, Nana? 5 1.
5 15s are.
5 15s
are very good.
And 25 and 75.
25.
There, ma'am. 25 and
Oh, okay.
That's all, Nana. 75. Again.
Now 69, ma'am.
69.
169.
1 and 69 is the next 2, no? 3 table.
Ma'am, 3
and 23.
Ma'am, 23 and 69.
Then
Nothing, ma'am.
that's all, I think, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other?
That's all, ma'am.
Any other?
23 and 69. That's
I
all.
think that's all. Now, what are the common factors, Nana?
Ma'am, 1 and 3, ma'am.
1 and 3.
Ma'am, 1 is common in
Which
the
is the
any number.
highest common factor? H means highest common factor.
Ma'am,
3, ma'am. 3 is our HCF.
If you
I 3 taking. Answer is 3 kg.
If you find this method is fine for you, you can go with this method. If it is this method is easy for you, you can go. But because this is we are not using this method. Why? Because if bigger numbers will happen, means it is very difficult to use all. Okay, ma'am.
Can you, I have a doubt. Like, so can you please explain the first trick again? Because actually I was having a connection problem. Can you explain the first trick? That
Some disturbance.
No,
some disturbance is coming from your side, Nana.
Ma'am, Mom is telling to explain the first method, ma'am.
Explain the.
Not required. I understood, ma'am. Not required. My noted method. Prime factorization method.
Second method, Nana.
No, ma'am. I was telling to explain first method, but I got it, ma'am. I know it.
Okay. So, some noise is coming, ma'am, so that I cannot help you. What you are telling. When you are unmute your mic, some noise. I'm unable to say that noise. Getting, so that I'm helpless. Any doubt in first bit, Tanvi? Do you understand? Tanvi, Riyan, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand it.
Only the finding keyword is very important, Nana. If you know, if you are able to find the keyword, some exceptional cases are there. If you are not able to do in that cases by using keyword, that part I will let you know, children. That part I will let you know. Now go with question number 2. Tanvi, can you read the question 2, Tanvi? Yes, Tanvi, I think you are able to read the question 2. Rishita? Nana, Rishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the question 2, ma.
Okay, ma'am. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeters, 70 centimeters, and 77 centimeters respectively.
What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps?
So
Find
see,
the LCM, ma'am, because their minimum is.
that's okay. Find the minimum distance. Minimum is the keyword.
Ma'am, got
Maximum.
it, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Maximum means what you should do, children.
And the difference between all the three, ma'am, it is of 7. 63 plus 7, 70. 70 plus 7, 77. So it is, I think, 7. It will be the difference.
Yes, very good, very good.
7
Yeah.
plus
See,
7.
children, there are 3 students. You just think these 3
Percent.
students are started. Their footsteps are different because each and everyone is not same length of footsteps. Yes or no, children? One can be different, another can be different, another can be different. Their footsteps measure. First boy is 63 centimeters, and the second boy was 70 centimeters, and the third boy was 77 centimeters. These are the footsteps measured. They are started at condition was the boys step off together from the same spot. They started from this point. You just imagine they started from this point. 63, 70 and 77 respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all the so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So we need to find the LCM in this case, children. LCM of 63, 70 and 77. We know very well. So by 63, 70 and 77, all the numbers are divisible by which table? 7. 7 9s are 60, 7 10s are 7 11s are. Now, no common factors. I think if you want further, you can go with 3 times. 3 3s are 10 is not coming in 3 tables, so 11 you can. Further, if you want to go with the 2 table, 2 3s are 2 5s are 11 times. Now you see, children, here you need to find the LCM.
Now we got all the prime numbers, ma'am. So no need to do go further method.
No need to.
So ma'am, we can
you
just
need to multiply all the factors. So yes, Nana, very good. Right. This multiplication also you can do little easier method, children. Use your properties of whole numbers. 5 into 2 you should multiply so that your product should be 10. So then it is easy for you to multiply 7 3s are 7 3s are
21. 21 and 10, 31.
22
31
and 10. Come on, children, please multiply.
31 and 2.
Easiest, you are learning even Vedic math classes, how you are supposed to multiply 21, 22 times.
Ma'am, like HCF also, we have another method for the LCM also.
Same, Nana. Ikkada HCF adigaru anuko, HCF only 7. Because all 3 numbers are divisible by what number? This is only HCF.
Oh, okay.
And ma'am,
Which all numbers are divisible. Which all numbers are divisible means then that number we can say that HCF. If two times.
And one more thing I found, like we can do, like in the 63, 70 and 77. We found the difference. We found a difference of 7.
Very
so in such a cases, we can just directly take 7 multiplier. 7 as a multiplier.
Because they're asking what is the max. Their question is minimum distance. That's why we are going with the LCM, Nana. 21, 22 times. No, not getting answer. Not at all getting answer. What is the answer, children?
4620. I think so.
4620. Very good. 4620 centimeters is the minimum distance. So that suppose they are all together started here. One footstep is 63. Another one is 70. Another one is 77. Like that, if they are continuously measuring, after What is the distance? After the distance of 4620 centimeters, they all three can meet together, children. This is the least common multiple of those 63, 70 and 77. Hope you understood. Ma, any doubt here?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the even I found the answer as 4620, ma'am. But when you see the question, in down they are showing the answer as 6930.
Don't think about what is our procedure, whether you check whether anywhere we are doing mistake, please check. 7 3s are 21. Yes, 5 2s are 10.
Ma'am, that's what I thought.
11 3s are 33, Gadrana. We did mistake, Nana. We did mistake. Someone said 33. Who said? Yes, 21 into 33, obviously you will get the same thing, ma. You just check it. 21 ones are 21, 63, 64, 60.
6930.
Hmm?
No, it is correct, ma'am. 6930.
6930
only, ma'am.
Okay. Right. 33. This is not 21. 6930. That's why you need to check. Very good. Very good, Om. Correct. After 6930 centimeters only, they are supposed to meet together.
And ma'am, if we also want, we can convert the centimeter into meter.
Vedant, please, Anna, what's your doubt? Vedant. Yeah, Om, something you are telling.
No, I'm doing that. If you want, we can also convert it into meter or a millimeter.
If you want to convert them as meter, means see how divide with 1 centimeter equal to 100. Yes or
If
no?
not also divide, ma'am. We can do like that only. 69 meter, 30 meter.
69. Ma'am, we can do 69 meter, 30 centimeter.
According to the answer options, children, you can go ahead. Sometimes kilometers also given. You can please try like that. Very good. Now, next question, coming to the question number 3. Soumya, can you please read question 3, Soumya?
Okay, ma'am. The length, breadth, and height of a room are centimeter, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter respectively.
Okay.
Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly.
Yeah. See, children, this is a really wonderful question here. There is a longest.
I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, HCF, ma'am.
Longest or
by looking the question, what is the keyword you are observing?
Ma'am, longest HCF. Longest.
Yes,
highest common
is the
factor.
keyword. Where is the longest? Longest.
Ma'am, GCD, ma'am. It's a GCD.
Very good, GCD. One of my child said GCD.
And GCD or HCF?
Very good.
Both are same.
Both are same. Come on, children. First step. What is the statement you have to write here? The length.
Length of the
height of a room is
length only length of the room. Length equal to 825 centimeter.
Breadth equals to
Breadth equal to 675. Then height equal to
and height 450 centimeters.
and height is equal to 450.
Very good. Next statement is more important. Okay, this is
ma'am, we need to do prime factorization of this. Prime factorization.
Anything, Nana, anything you can find. Find the longest tape. They did not mention which method you are supposed. Therefore, the longest tape which can measure the room dimensions exactly. That is the next statement.
GCD.
Yes. The longest tape. The longest tape that can measure. Advika, why too late to the class? That can measure the room dimensions.
Ma'am, will we have any quiz today?
Yes, Nana. Room dimensions exactly. Room dimensions exactly. E is nothing but you need to find the GCD of 825 675 450.
Ma'am, can I tell by which number? Can I tell the procedure?
Yes, no, Riyansh will tell. Riyansh is not at all speaking. So Riyansh, by looking all these numbers, which table, which is exactly divisible? These all three numbers exactly divisible by?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Riyansh.
Ma'am, 5 is, ma'am, 5, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am, 5 because
Ma'am,
5 are 0, ma'am.
Very
That
good.
On the numbers, the last is 5 or 0.
Very good. Very good. 5 divisibility rule. Good.
and because it will be 0 or
Vinil.
5, ma'am.
Vinil,
The
correct.
last
Vinil.
digit.
Vinil, correct. So that how many times 5, 8, 25 divided by 5, how much? If you don't know, you can go with the division also by 5 table. 5 ones are 5. So it is remainder was 3.
3, ma'am.
32. 6 times 30 and 2. Bring down 5. 5 5s are
And 165.
165. I can do in my mind only, children. 5 ones are 5.
We can do,
Remainder is
ma'am,
1.
we can do by short division, ma'am.
Ah.
5 ones are 5. Then left is 3. 3. Then 30. So it will be 5. 5 6 are.
Ma'am,
5 6 are. We can do like 5 6 are. It is 30.
Same thing.
Then 25
5,
into
45.
165.
5 9 times 40. 5.
Ma'am, 90.
Ah.
Ma'am, that this time also 5 only, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. This time also.
Because
5
of 5, ma'am. 5 and 0 is the large.
Very
large-
good.
Because
Very
ma'am, 5
Ma'am,
and
we
0
will use
means
5 as a
divisible
factor.
by 5.
3s
Ma'am,
are
I will be-
it is,
so 5 3s are once again 15.
33
5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35.
27.
In 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are.
And 5 18s
Ma'am,
are
3, ma'am. In this 3, we will
Divisible by
use
3,
3.
ma'am. Divisible by
3.
3.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
3 11.
3, ma'am. 3,
3
ma'am.
11.
Ma'am,
11 9.
9, ma'am. 9, 9.
6, ma'am. 6.
6 is 6.
Now no common factor. 11s 9 6 will not divisible in any table.
Ma'am, not 3, ma'am.
And now,
Not 3.
No need of doing because
I'm 11.
we
11
need
is
only
not
GCD. We need only
Ma'am,
GCD.
Ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am. I'll.
Children, that's why I'm telling you.
I'm 11.
No need to find 11 only. Why? Because
Ma'am,
my dear children, please mute yourself. I will let you know. Why? Because we are not going to further. 11, 9, 6 will not.
Ma'am, why? Ma'am, I want to say my point. Ma'am, 9 and 6 are a composite number, ma'am. They are not the prime number.
that's right.
So we have to take it. If we have to take it to the prime number, then only we can continue our multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
9 and
Ma'am,
6
I have
by
a doubt.
Yes, who have doubt?
Ma'am, Varshit.
Yes, Varshit Krishna.
9 and 6 are a composite.
Ma'am, when we are doing this HCF using this method, ma'am, we should use only prime numbers or we can use composite numbers also.
Only prime numbers.
Five,
Only prime.
5 numbers only.
5, 5.
Only prime numbers.
Okay.
Not like that.
Ma'am, then what about LCM, ma'am? When finding LCM, then
No, LCM means all these numbers you're supposed
Ma'am.
to you have to divide with further also because
yeah, yes, ma'am. LCM, I know that.
this is LCM means
Ma'am, 75, ma'am. 75.
75.
Because 5 are 25, 25 3s are 75.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, my doubt is 9 and 6 are composite number. So when we are doing this prime factorization, in the prime factorization, we are supposed to take all the number to the prime number. And 9 and 6, we can they are a composite number. So further we
Yeah.
have to divide. Further also we have to do it.
Because they both are divisible by 3, ma'am. So we can divide. So we have to take
Yes,
it
ma'am.
to the prime numbers.
Okay, just a minute, children. There is 1 minute. Just a minute.
I think we should leave these at the prime number only, ma'am. Not at composite numbers.
You should little practice, children, or else.
Carry our prime factorization.
Ma'am,
With
in
9 and 6.
LCM, we can divide one number after the other, ma'am.
There is a little bit practice is there means you can go ahead. If no practice means we are having a little doubts too in this case, especially. Just a minute, children. Give a minute time to me.
Ma'am, what are co-prime?
What more?
What are co-prime? Numbers which have prime numbers which have only one as the common factor.
According to me, the answer should be. Wait, calculate. 25, which is 25 into 3 equal to 75 into 11. Then into 3 into 2. According to me, the answer should be 4,950.
1,900. Ma'am, I think he counted 825 to 675. No.
According to my processor, it should be 4,950.
If you're right, ma'am, but I just have doubt that why you're stopping at the composite numbers, ma'am.
Why we are Soumya, please repeat.
Ma'am, why are you stopping till the composite numbers, ma'am?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to
Even I have the doubt.
No, because common factor, when we are going to say factor is, what is the definition of factor, Nana? It is exact divisor. Yes or no? Factor is an exact divisor. I want the common factor means it should be exactly divisible by the number. Suppose if I'm taking further, you are telling, ma'am, you can take 3 table. Yes, you are telling 3 will not be divisible by 11. Maybe, of course, it is divisible by 9 and 6, but all 3 numbers should be divisible. Then only we can say that is a common.
Okay, ma'am. So
Yes, ma'am,
LCM.
in HCF, ma'am, that condition is there, ma'am. In LCM, that condition is
In LCM, if it in SCF we have to follow this, and if it is LCM, we can carry further.
No need, no need. Because that factors definition only you have to remember, children. Common factor. Factor is nothing but exact divisor. So exact divisor means all.
Ma'am, actually, there are 2 devices with my name, ma'am.
Who is that another ma'am?
Krishna.
Not by you?
Ma'am, I think he is.
That's not me, ma'am. I am Varshit, ma'am. This another thing it is there, ma'am.
Yeah, even someone, this is Varshit Krishna, right?
Yes, ma'am. With initial it is there, right, ma'am? That is.
I will remove because that other fellow is again making a lot of disturbance in the classroom. I will remove. Just a minute. Thank you, Nana, for reminding so that I can see again. He is asking permission to my screen to make something changes. Who is that? I am not sure because it is so sorry to say, children. As a children,
Ma'am, in another meeting means not this Chanakya meeting. Ma'am, in another Zoom meeting when I attended, he again attended with the same name RRR and he on this video there.
Okay, that's not an issue, but as a child, mentality should be supposed to not like that. As a kids, we are learning something good things in the classroom, not such a thing, children. And there is another question. Any doubt in this question, children?
LCM, ma'am, it is divisible or not? Ma'am, we should prime number.
Vedant, are you there, Vedant? Vedant, are you there? I think he is having doubt. He kept a message in the class.
I think this RRR is Aditya because in our WhatsApp, everyone are attending the class except Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. He would be there in the first, ma'am. I think the first 2 classes, ma'am. He was there. After that, he was not attending in any classes.
Okay. Anyway, children, 75 centimeters is the longest tape that can measure the room dimensions exactly. This is the word I can say. Okay. What is the longest?
Ma'am, shall we play a quiz now, ma'am?
1 minute. 4 and 5 questions are exceptional questions, children. More important questions. Determine the smallest 3-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 6.
Ma'am, I want to ask. Ma'am, in the third question, if we are finding LCM, ma'am, so further we can go further or no?
If you want to find out LCM, means what is the
Yes,
largest?
ma'am. If we want to find the LCM, ma'am, we
you
need
can,
to
you
go
can-
till 1, ma'am. In the last, it should be 1. Then only we can find the
Not
complete.
like that. Till prime numbers, you can do with
Not one
Like,
prime
we
number.
till- Yeah, only prime.
Yeah.
Or should be prime number.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes,
Nana,
ma'am.
correct on this. You are correct. But
And ma'am, if we do only till prime number, ma'am, then we should also multiply that, ma'am.
we are doing only HCF part.
Ma'am, what if, ma'am, I had a, ma'am, what if the number is composite till the end, ma'am, in LCM?
Composite in the
Any
end,
number which is divisible by.
You need to do it until it is done.
further simplify, right?
You need to do it until it is divisible.
The composition number should be prime.
You can
Means if it is 4, then it should be.
you have 4 as a composite number. Further, you can go with your 2 table.
2. Then it will be prime number.
Yeah, every
Ma'am,
number
can
can
we
be
play a
expressed
quiz
as a
now?
product of prime. That is only when you are going to senior classes. Arithmetic, what is that?
Ma'am, for this first method, ma'am, we should know the divisibility rules.
Yes. You have in 10th class children one lemma. What is that lemma, children? Division algorithm lemma. In that
Ma'am, now can we play a quiz?
Yes, ma'am, we will play a quiz right now, ma'am.
1 minute, one question, 4th question I will help you, then we will start.
Ma'am, lemma, ma'am.
Division lemma, theorems you have in the senior classes.
Ma'am, how many questions you made it with, ma'am?
Ma'am, it is telling the smallest digit to find the.
See, 4th question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by exactly divisible.
The common number. Ma'am,
SCF,
common factor.
SCF,
HCF.
SCF.
HCF, ma'am.
Ma'am,
LCM.
GCD, SCF.
No.
LCM.
Not LCM only we supposed to find here.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ma'am, but
Okay, ma'am, it's a divisor into
Listen
quotient.
first,
Divisor.
my dear children, first listen. In this exceptional cases, I said these 2 questions is find smallest number, largest number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Such cases you need to find only LCM.
Ma'am, but I know that. Ma'am, but in LCM we're not having.
Listen home. First LCM means 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2, 6 times. Again it will divisible with 3 table. 3 1s are 4s are
4,
3
ma'am.
2s
3
are.
1s are, 3
Again
4s are.
2 table. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. You can stop here. What is LCM, Nana?
Ma'am, 2,
2, 3.
12, 2s are 24.
24 is the LCM. But 24 is what type of 2-digit number? Yes or no? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2-digit number. What is our question they're asking?
Ma'am,
Determine the smallest 3-digit number. 24 multiples, please write down 24, 24, 48,
48, 72. No.
I'm 240.
72, then
No.
82, 92,
144.
96.
Ma'am, it's 120.
And 120.
120.
Very good.
120.
Now
Ma'am, 120.
this is
So
your
120 is
what
divisible by 6,
these all
8.
are 2-digit numbers.
Smallest number, ma'am.
Therefore, 120 is the least number. If you go with another number, you are going to get 144. This is not a smallest 3-digit number. This is only the smallest 3-digit. Therefore,
Ma'am, because 96 also is a 2-digit number, ma'am. 126.
120 is the smallest 3-digit number.
Ma'am, can I tell this further? Ma'am, 120 is divisible by all, ma'am. Because 6, if it is 6, it is divisible by 2 and 3. It is divisible by 2 and 3. And 8, it is 120 is divisible by 8. And 12 or 3 and 4 is divisible.
Yes.
12 into 10 also it is divisible.
Yes, very good, Dana. Like that also you can recheck. The second question, 5th question is your question, Dana. You need to find out, determine the greatest 3-digit. Don't see in this cases a keyword, children. This is exceptional cases. You need to find the largest 3-digit or smallest 3-digit or greatest 4-digit 5. Such a cases always you need to find LCM only. LCM only. Come on, 8, 10, 12 LCM, please. Come on. 8, 10, 12 LCM.
Ma'am, 2 ma'am.
12.
2 again.
Oh.
2.
8, 10, 12 LCM.
Ma'am, 2. Okay, 2.
Ma'am, 100 is the answer.
Who said 100?
4, 5, 6.
No, ma'am, it's not.
4, 5, 6, sir, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
First is 2.
Ah,
Ma'am, first we have to take 2.
Sorry,
4,
ma'am.
5, 6.
okay.
2, 4, 5, 6 then.
Wait. I want from Karthik. Can I please, Karthik, tell the answer right now? Karthik, 8, 10, 12 will be commonly divisible in which table?
2.
Very good. 2 table.
Ma'am, it is showing in our screen also. Your computer will shut down, ma'am.
I just
Ma'am, will you share the quiz link, ma'am? And you join mobile phone again.
1 minute. No. Let me complete the incomplete question. Once we are going with completion, then you can enjoy the quiz. 2 table. 2 4 times. 2 5 times.
5 are 10, 2 6 are 12.
Then 2
Ma'am,
table.
now 2 2s are 4.
Ma'am, 9, 6 is the answer. Ma'am, 9, 6 is the answer.
2, 5.
3. So all are prime
Ma'am,
numbers, no
4,
prime number is repeated.
6,
So
8,
LCM is
8
2 into 2 into 2
24.
into 5 into 3. Here also I
40,
said the
53,
technique. This is
120.
10.
Ma'am, it is 120, ma'am.
This is
The,
4.
ma'am, if we multiply them all, when we multiply them all, we will get the answer 120.
But
Yeah,
our question
120.
was, our question
120.
Our
120
was-
multiple now. 120
we
multiple.
can
we have to
take
120
do.
multiples.
greatest 3-digit number, no, not small. The smallest 3-digit number. So
120 factor.
120 table, 240,
240.
360,
360.
480,
480. Yeah.
600,
600.
720,
720. 840. 840. 960. That's it, ma'am. 960.
1000.
96.
Ma'am, 960 is the
Then
Ma'am, 1080. Then 1200. Ma'am,
Ma'am, 960 is the
now,
greatest.
see children, in this, which is the largest 3-digit number?
Ma'am,
960. 960.
That's why
Ma'am, 960 is the greatest.
960 is the largest number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 10, 12. Hope you understand.
Ma'am, 10 because it ends with 0 and 12 because
Ah.
it will be divisible by 3 and 4.
Whatever the questions we discussed today are very, very important, children. Very, very important for your subjective part of examination. Those are more important, children. Please, tomorrow's class, we will go with, that means not tomorrow, next class. You can see, children, 6th question also. By looking the keywords, you can identify what we should do. Traffic lights are okay. If they change simultaneously, what time they have to change simultaneously again? In this case, no keyword. What we should do?
Ma'am, can I?
LCM.
Yes, very good. Someone said correct. Karthik, very good. Karthik, you are correct. LCM only.
Ma'am, I think it should be LCM, ma'am.
LCM only. Because
Ma'am, because in such cases, when it is not mentioned, ma'am,
you
we are
just,
supposed to take
no. You just read the question number 2. Question number 2 and 6 are very similar questions, because question number 2, the students' footprint, once again, when they will meet together at commonly, that is the case. And in this traffic lights also, they are changing every periodical times. So when they will change simultaneously after that, again simultaneously together means you need to find the same LCM concept.
And now can we play quiz?
Yes, Soumya, we can. Shall I stop share, children? I will